Good day, viewers. Welcome back to this channel. This is Afri's Concept TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you're listening to this news from. Another interesting news from Atiku. Atiku, wise Atiku, did the unexpected as he exposed Tinubu by submitting another evidence to vacate Tinubu from office. News updates. On Monday, the Supreme Court witnessed a dramatic turn of events as Atiku, the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, brought forth a request for the admission of new evidence pertaining to forgery allegations against President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Represented by his chief counsel, Chief Uche's son, Atiku Abubakar emphasized the gravity and constitutional significance of this matter. He employed the court to consider and grant his application even after the judgment. Atiku stated that the matter concerning Mr. Bola Ahmed Tinubu's academic credentials is a weighty and constitutional one, and we beseech the Supreme Court to admit this fresh evidence of Bola Ahmed Tinubu's educational records from CSU as presented by Atiku. The Supreme Court must scrutinize Mr. Bola Ahmed Tinubu's report and record without being entangled in technicalities. In response, the counsel representing the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC), Abubakar Mamodu, swiftly moved to have Atiku Abubakar's application for the presentation of Bola Ahmed Tinubu's academic records dismissed. Tinubu's chief counsel Wole Olanipekan urged that INEC should have participated in the disposition proceedings in the United States, asserting that the CSU depositions remains dominant until the deponent testifies in court. Olanipekan contended that Atiku Abubakar should not be allowed to introduce fresh evidence at the Supreme Court till the time is here. This legal battle unfolds against the background of the high-stake presidential elections and allegations of forgery. Atiku plead for the Supreme Court evidence seeks to address the authenticity of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu academic records, while the opposing party urged over legal procedures and the involvement of INEC in the process. The Supreme Court is now faced with the pivotal decisions that will not be only impact the current presidential race, but also set a precedent of addressing issues of the forgery and constitutional significance in the future. The case raises questions of due process and the rule of electoral commissions, and also the fundamental principles of transparency and fairness in the democratic process. The nation which watches with bated breath as this legal saga unfolds, awaiting the Supreme Court's final verdict on the matter. See what Atiku did. See what Atiku promised to do on the final judgment day. Thank you, viewers, for listening to this news. Wow. Look at Tinubu begging Supreme Court not to accept Atiku's evidence. But Atiku says he will never give up until Tinubu is out, until Tinubu leaves the office for him. I'm very much sure that no matter what the Supreme Court, no matter the bribe it collects from Tinubu to defend Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Atiku has said, he deemed it fit, that he will never allow such to happen. He will never give up, even if even if his life is taken. He will never give up until Tinubu is out and the rightful owner or the rightful person will resume office and make this country a peaceful home. So viewers, what is your take on this? Please don't hesitate to drop every of your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get notifications each time we upload new videos.